Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogecoin. Previously, we saw that the price action after this big rally found a very strong support here at 16 cent. And I told you that this is key level support at this time for the Dogecoin because previously it had been breaking as a very strong support here. And now we have seen that it has worked as a very strong support once again, and so far the price line is not able to break down this support. And this is also the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern as well. Therefore, this support is very important. If it will be broken down, then there can be a huge rally towards the downside because the neckline of the head and shoulder will be broken down. Therefore, we need to watch this support, and so far this support is working very well and not broken down. At the same time, we can see that now the price action has broken out the EMA 10. This blue one is the EMA 10 and this red one is EMA 21. And so far we are not receiving any bull cross between the EMA 10 and EMA 21. Like previously we were expecting that EMA 10 will cross up the EMA 21. That will be the bull cross, and after that we will observe an uptrend or a big rally towards the upside like we have previously seen here. That was a very big rally when we previously received this bull cross between the EMA 10 and 21 on the daily time frame. This blue line crossed up the red line, and here again these moving averages came closer to each other but did not cross up. And here again, these two moving averages are again very close to form a bull cross with each other. And let's see what will happen. I'm expecting that this time the bull cross is possible because this time the EMAs and the price line both are very close to the very strong support of 16 cents. And at the same time, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then the stochastic, the oscillator, has entered the oversold, and we can see that previously when it was entered the oversold and received the buying signal by the MACD as well, then there was a very big rally started, and this time we can expect that even though this is oversold, the stochastic is oversold, but so far the MACD is very strong bearish on the weekly time frame. Once it will start giving the bullish signals, the buying signal, then we can expect that the price action will again follow the signals of these oscillators and it will start a very big move. And definitely the price action has also formed a very big harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. I'll share that pattern with you as well. And I'll also show you the complete buying and sell targets for that pattern that I shared at the Patreon. And then in my previous video, I've already shared these targets with you, and I'm again going to share in the current video as well. Now, first of all, let me to show you the different resistance levels which we are going to have. The next resistance that we are going to have is at 29 cents. This is a very strong and powerful resistance. You can see that previously it has been breaking as a very strong support here, and here it has been breaking as a strong support. Therefore this time it can also work as a very strong resistance. Then we have 36 cents. That is not as that much powerful like we have this 29 cents. Then we have another minor resistance at 45 cents, and from 45 cents to 70 cents we have only this resistance that is approximately at 55 cents, and then there is nothing between 55 cents to 70 cents. Therefore, we should keep an eye on this resistance level of 29 cents. Once it will be broken down, 36 cents will be easily broken out, and the 45 cents will be also easily broken out, and the 55 cents is also not a powerful resistance. Now if we take a look at the very small time frame 1 hourly chart, then here the price action has formed this ascending triangle, and you can see that it has found the resistance here, and here it has found the support and formed an ascending triangle, and after getting bounced it is likely to move up to make another attempt to break out this resistance of the triangle. And if the price action will be able to break out this resistance of the triangle, then our next imminent target in the short term, immediate short term, can be here. That is approximately at 24.925 cents. That can be our immediate target, and in case of breakdown, our next target to the downside can be again 55.5 cents, and I'm expecting that if the price line will break down this support, then it can again stuck here at 16 cents support. However, I'm expecting for the breakout, because you can see that already it is getting bounced by this very strong support, and the oscillator on the weekly time frame chart is moving in the oversold zone. Now let's move to this chart that I shared at the Patreon. That is a big bullish cipher pattern I shared on 24th of June, and the price action was just completed this final leg of the bullish cipher pattern and entered the potential reversal zone. The maximum extent of the potential reversal zone is 13.36 cents. However, we have a very strong support at 16 cents. Therefore, our stop loss should be 16 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see even though we had a long spike here, that was, if you watch this candlestick, then the lowest of this candlestick was 16.322. And then it moved more down to test 16 cents. And on this candlestick, you can see the price action tested the 16 cents. It went down to 15.988, and now it is moving above 16 cents. And after a long time, we are having this green candlesticks. It's now possible that on the weekly time frame chart, we will have some consolidation here, and then the price action will start moving towards the upside. And it is also possible that the price line, after crossing this sell zone that I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher, it can also try to break out the final resistance of 70 cents. However, the realistic target as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish cipher can be from 31.4 cents to 50.6 cents. So this was the update on Dogecoin for today. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.